everybody, it's Laura Angel with the DeSoto County Extension Office. I just wanted to pop on live here and show you about our brown bags this week. And so this is our extension brown bag this week, and I wanted to show you what's inside this brown bag. This week's giveaway is Daylilies, and so if you come on down to the DeSoto County Extension Office, you can get a daylily in your brown bag grab and go kit this week. And so this is just a plant that you can plant in your yard, in your garden, and you can enjoy it all year long. You can enjoy it, it'll be green most of the year, and then it'll die back in the fall, and then it'll come back out in the spring. It is a perennial, and so you can read all about daylilies. We've given you some information. We've given you a publication. We've given you information on how to plant it if you have a brown thumb. So there's information on planting it in your garden or planting it in a pot. There is information on what daylilies are. And then there's different perennials and annuals that you can grow in your garden here in Mississippi. So we hope that you like this week's extension brown bag. And so come on down to the DeSoto County Extension Office, 3260 Highway 51 South in Hernando, Mississippi, and grab your extension brown bag kit this week. And it is featuring daylilies. And so if you have any questions about daylilies, about growing them, you can comment on our video or send us a message to our Facebook page or our email here at the Extension Office. Send us a message if you have any concerns about your daylilies, and we will get our horticulture agent, we'll get her to answer those questions for you. But we hope that you like it. The daylily blooms when it does bloom. It will bloom for one day, and then the bloom will disappear and fall off, and the next day you'll be blessed with another bloom another day. And so we hope that you enjoy this week's brown bag kit. Don't forget, come by the Extension Office and get it. We still have plenty left, so come by and get yours today or tomorrow. They'll be out the rest of this week until they're gone. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe, and have a great week.